Are you ready for this limited time offering? Today's offering is FireAlarm.com's new amplification of cellular signals and systems. What's going on, everyone? Stefan here from FireAlarm.com. In today's work environment, clear, reliable cellular service in all building types is essential for the flow of your business's day-to-day operations. Whether your building is a single-story unit, an office campus, or a high-rise, FireAlarm.com will ensure you have the cell signal strength you need to get the job done. FireAlarm.com has the know-how to design and install in order to provide diverse cellular solutions for businesses across many different industries and environments. We design and install systems from warehouses, high-rise buildings, underground parking lots, etc. Act now in order to receive 50% off of your second cellular receiver. Call us now at 888-497-0290 and speak to one of our engineers or sales representatives for a list of options and special pricing. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.